There's lots of things that you know that you don't know that you know. Almost everything is like that, in fact. And it's rather obvious if you think about it, because if you were transparent to yourself and you knew everything you knew, you wouldn't have to study anything about psychology because you'd understand yourself completely. And we understand ourselves poorly. And so we have to study ourselves as individuals and then, you know, as phenomena in the world, as other people, and as mammals, and as animals, and as living things, and as political actors, and so on, just to get some minor notion of what's actually going on. And what that means in part is that you're more complicated than you can understand.
So what Jordan Peterson's basically talking about here is that it's difficult to get to know yourself, that we're complex beings. And basically we only know ourselves in comparison to something else. So without contrast we can't find about ourselves. And that's why through experiences we get perspectives on ourselves. When we're growing up in society we get kind of symbolic images thrown at us, and we see a lot of tropes in society, you know, where a person's presumed to be strong or presumed to be weak or whatever it is. And judging by the way you were raised and how you look and so on, people might classify you this way or that way: nice person, angry person, smart person, dumb person, whatever. But really, it's only through life experience that you're really going to get real exposure, because even with your family and friends, they will tend to project onto you, you know, maybe a character you saw on TV, or you look a bit like your uncle or something like that. So only through life experience do we get the contrast to find out, to some degree, who we really are. That's sort of testing reality.